Hello, mic testing. I hope you will be doing good. So basically, this video is about running a JavaScript in our Bubble application. So first of all, we go into the plugins and install our Toolbox plugin. That is this one basically. And when we install this, we have JavaScriptToBubble, list this, and all of these. So this one is the one that we actually need in the actions. So we put in the element j2 js2 bubble, basically this one, and then we add our name of the function, bubble function suffix, and then we like whatever we needed, we can check everything for the documentation and mark as if you need it or not. So currently I am extracting the output as a list of dates. So this is output list, date type is date. So I am running my function here. If I click on edit workflows, button is clicked. I'm running the JavaScript, and this is all the JavaScript I needed. It is some function for creating the entries of days and basically scheduling something on calendar. Then I am setting up the dates, and for the dates we have two major things that we need to see. We call it the function, basically the element JavaScript to bubble value list, each item formatted as this, or either we go with this one simple if it is a date list. So I have this one is a text list, this one is a date list, being the state on the page level, and I'm calling them from here. Each item formatted as this, or even value list directly. So if I go here and turn on my debugger little quick, here we go, running it step by step, slots. Here we go, our JavaScript runs, then we run next, and we get the values this way, value list. So this is the value list, being the 20 available slots. Yeah, and this is coming into text list basically. And if we run next, we are basically displaying those lists here. Simple thing. So we get all the data here that was created by the function. Thank you very much.